In a world hurtling relentlessly toward the future, where technology reshapes everything around us, a new name emerges on the scene, promising a revolution in the electric car industry. Welcome to Xiaomi's electric world, where performance meets innovation. Today we present to you the SU7 from Xiaomi, a car that doesn't just drive you through the roads, but propels you toward the future. Are you a fan of the electric car revolution, keeping tabs on the latest trends from Tesla, BYD, and the rest of the eco-friendly trailblazers? If so, why not express your enthusiasm with a thumbs up below? It's a simple gesture that goes a long way. And for those of you who've journeyed with us before but haven't yet joined our community, consider this your invitation. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's just a click away, and it ensures you're always in the loop with the most electrifying news to come. Don't just watch the future unfold, be part of the movement that drives it. Hello, and welcome to Behind the Steering Wheel channel, where we embark on an exploratory journey to discover the latest innovations in the automotive world. If you're a tech and car enthusiast, you're in the right place. I'm Adam. Let's start our journey from where Xiaomi began. A giant that not only revolutionized the smartphone industry, but also decided to challenge the titans in the electric car market. In its ultra-smart Beijing factory, Xiaomi produces a car every 76 seconds, thanks to an advanced automated production line and over 700 robots working tirelessly. But what truly distinguishes the Xiaomi SU7 in the bustling electric car market? Let's dive into the details that set this vehicle apart from the rest. The SU7 is not just another contender in the race, it's a technological marvel that stands out with its hyper-engine motor, which boasts an impressive 21,000 RPM. This powertrain is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to performance that rivals even the most elite race cars. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The SU7 is built upon 5 core technologies that are redefining the automotive landscape. The first one, its e-motor. At the heart of the SU7 lies Xiaomi's self-developed e-motors, Hyper-Engine V6, V6S, and V8S, which are a leap forward in electric motor technology, with a rotation speed reaching up to 27,200 RPM. These motors are not only powerful but also efficient, setting new standards for electric vehicle performance. The second one, its CTB battery. The SU7's prowess is further enhanced by its integrated CTB battery technology. That integrates the battery into the vehicle's body. This isn't just any battery, it's a structural component of the vehicle, contributing to the car's rigidity and providing a spacious cabin. It's a brilliant fusion of form and function, ensuring that every drive is both safe and comfortable. The third one, it's a Xiaomi Hyper Die Casting. Precision is key in the SU7's construction, thanks to Xiaomi's Hyper Die Casting technology. This process allows for the creation of large, complex parts with unparalleled accuracy, contributing to the vehicle's superior build quality. The fourth is Xiaomi Pilot Autonomous Driving. The SU7 is equipped with the Xiaomi Pilot, an autonomous driving system that offers over 140 functions. This system is the culmination of Xiaomi's dedication to safety and innovation, providing a driving experience that's not just autonomous but intelligent and intuitive. The fifth, it is Smart Cabin. The SU7's interior is more than just a space. It's a smart cabin that integrates Xiaomi HyperOS with the vehicle. This creates a seamless ecosystem that connects the driver, the car, and the home, offering a user experience that's personalized and cutting-edge. All these technologies are supported by a colossal investment of over 10 billion yuan in research and development. Behind the SU7 is a global team of more than 3,400 engineers and 1,000 technical experts, all working together to push the boundaries of what's possible in an electric car. The Xiaomi SU7 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a declaration that the future of driving is here, and it's smarter, safer, and more exhilarating than ever before. Envision a world where the roar of engines gives way to the whisper of innovation, where electric vehicles glide through the streets with grace and vigor. This is the world Xiaomi envisions with the SU7, an electric car that's not just gaining popularity in China, but captivating hearts with its array of exhilarating features. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the reasons why the SU7 is more than just a car. It's a revolution on wheels. The SU7, Xiaomi's electric marvel, sparked an unprecedented buzz in the Chinese market. with a staggering 88,000 pre-orders lighting up the board within the first day. This electric wave surged Xiaomi's market value by a whopping $4 billion, signaling a new era for the tech giant. Xiaomi plays a masterstroke with the SU7's pricing strategy, undercutting the Tesla Model 3 and setting the stage for a market shakeup. At approximately $215,900 around $3,408, the standard version of the SU7 isn't just a car, it's a statement. The SU7 doesn't shy away from flexing its technical muscles, offering two powerhouse versions. The first one is a standard version with a 220-kilowatt rear motor, approximately 299 horsepower. The second one is the formidable SU7 Max, boasting dual motors with a combined might of 495 kilowatts. Delivering a remarkable 673 horsepower and a top speed of 265 km per hour, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds, slightly outperforming the Porsche Taycan Turbo in speed. With a battery capacity stretching from 73.6 to 101 kilowatt hours, the SU7 promises a journey of up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. It's not just a ride, it's a voyage. The SU7's production pace is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to meeting consumer demand. With over 50,000 orders in just 27 minutes and deliveries set to roll out by April's end, the SU7 isn't just fast on the road, it's quick off the production line. In its highly advanced Beijing factory, Xiaomi orchestrates a mesmerizing symphony of precision and innovation. With clockwork precision, they churn out a brand new car every 76 seconds, a feat made possible by a state-of-the-art automated production line and an impressive ensemble of over 700 tirelessly working robots. Xiaomi's reputation as a beacon of reliability and innovation isn't just a label, it's a legacy. This trust has been the cornerstone of the SU7's popularity, making it more than just a car. It's a trusted companion. In summary, Xiaomi's electric car SU7 combines advanced technology with competitive pricing, making it an intriguing option in China's electric car market. And thus, with the SU7, Xiaomi doesn't just offer a car, but a comprehensive driving experience that blends elegance, power, and intelligence. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? Share your comments with us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more technological adventures and exciting journeys in the world of cars.